Welcome to American Dream Mansions, where we bring you the most iconic estates across the United States. Homes that redefine architectural vision, elevate modern living, and inspire the true essence of the American dream. Today, we invite you to experience one of the most breathtaking properties ever crafted, a masterpiece set in the heart of California luxury, designed to connect elegance, comfort, and the natural beauty of the surrounding landscape. As the drone rises high above the coastline, the full scale of this magnificent estate unfolds in a panoramic sweep. The golden California sunlight touches every corner of its expansive architecture, highlighting the bold lines, the shimmering glass walls, and the striking harmony between modern design and native landscape. The mansion stands proudly on nearly 12 acres of elevated land, offering privacy, freedom, and panoramic ocean views that stretch endlessly across the Pacific. From this drone perspective, you can appreciate the symmetry, the spatial intelligence, and the flawless integration of outdoor terraces, gardens, and entertainment areas that complete the home's visual power. As the camera glides down toward the front entrance, the estate welcomes you with a grand architectural statement. A beautifully designed entry court leads to an impressive doorway framed with warm golden accents and modern red tones, a visual theme that reflects prestige, passion, and timeless luxury. Every detail of this entrance has been crafted to create anticipation, and as the doors open, the interior reveals itself with an elegance that immediately captivates. Stepping inside, the great living room rises with double-height ceilings, massive glass walls, and seamless views of the ocean that spill into the home with natural light. Golden ambient lighting softens the edges of luxurious stone floors, while red accent decor adds a touch of modern vibrance, creating a visual balance that feels both warm and majestic. This living space invites you to relax, to entertain, and to experience the California lifestyle in its purest form. Moving toward the heart of the home, the kitchen represents a fusion of beauty and purpose. Designed for both professional-level cooking and everyday comfort, it features marble islands, chef-grade appliances, and golden fixtures that elevate its elegance. Red accent pieces add contrast while maintaining the home's cohesive design language. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area offers an intimate yet sophisticated setting. A grand golden chandelier illuminates the red velvet seating around a custom dining table, while oversized windows frame the peaceful outdoor views, making every meal feel like a celebration. The bedrooms are crafted as personal sanctuaries, each one styled like a private suite. Soft golden lighting, warm wood tones, and tasteful red decor create an ambiance of comfort and exclusivity. Large windows invite natural light, connecting each room to the surrounding landscape. The master suite takes luxury even further, featuring a private lounge area, walk-in closets, a spa-inspired bathroom with marble surfaces, golden hardware, a deep soaking tub, and a frameless glass shower designed to feel like a personal retreat. Throughout the home, every bathroom offers the same level of craftsmanship, combining modern design with soothing lighting and premium finishes. These spaces enhance daily routines, turning them into moments of relaxation and renewal. The entertainment and lifestyle areas of this estate are equally remarkable. The TV lounge provides a cinematic experience with golden LED ambient lighting and red acoustic panels, creating the perfect mood for movie nights. The private gym is styled with mirrored walls, state-of-the-art equipment, and refined accents that reflect a professional fitness environment. Beyond the interior, the resort-style swimming pool glistens under California skies, enhanced by golden underwater lighting and soft red decor that transforms evenings into an unforgettable visual experience. The garage stands as yet another highlight, designed not just for parking but for displaying automotive passion. Polished floors, golden ceiling lights, and red wall accents create a gallery-like atmosphere for collectors. As the sun sets and night settles in, the home transforms into a glowing architectural jewel. Golden LED outlines trace the structure, red accents enrich the ambiance, and the entire estate radiates elegance against the dark sky. It becomes a private world of light, luxury, and serenity. Brought to you by American Dream Mansions, this presentation reflects our mission to showcase the finest homes, most brilliant designs, and the ultimate living experiences in the United States. We hope you enjoyed this journey through a property that represents the height of luxury, craftsmanship, and modern American living.